Hi, I'm Mike with IT Supplies, and this is the Canon GP-2000. Today we're going to go over how to print borderless on your Canon Aqueous printer. Let's get started. So today I'm going to be printing through Photoshop, and I already have my image sized to 17 by 22. So we're going to go into File, Print, and you can see I have my Canon GP-2000 selected, and you can see I also have Photoshop managing colors along with the printer profile of my Canon Glossy Photo Paper 200 GSM. I'm going to go into my print settings here, and here we can select our media type. The Canon GP-2000 has a nice feature where it can get the information from the printer directly. If yours doesn't have this option, you can still select your media here and just go from there. So you can see I have my Canon Glossy Photo Paper 200 GSM in the 17-inch roll. I'm gonna hit OK. I'm gonna leave everything as easy settings, and I'm gonna leave everything as default. And I'm also gonna turn on my preview before printing so that we can see what it looks like before we actually hit print for real. Next, I'm gonna go into my page setup. And you can see I have my 17 by 22 already selected, along with my borderless printing. When I click the checkbox for borderless printing, it asks me what size is the roll on the printer. I have a 17-inch roll. We'll hit OK. And then I can go into my borderless settings, which allows me to add a bit of a bleed, or as they call it, an extension. And that just makes sure that your print actually does go full borderless and doesn't leave a little margin. There's also an option here for three-sided borderless, where if your print does not match the size of your roll, it will make it so that the three top, bottom, and right sides are all borderless, and you'll have to just cut off that left side of the print. Then we have our borderless printing methods. There's three options here: fit to paper size, scale to fit roll paper width, and print image with actual size. When you make those changes, you can see on the left side here, it does change the settings. And if you choose scale to fit to roll paper width, it will ask you once again what size roll you're using. The reason why it asks you what size your roll is there's only certain sizes you can use to print borderless. So it wants to just really make sure that you are using something that's compatible. I'm gonna leave it at 17-inch. We'll hit OK. And here you can make any adjustments on orientation if you want to rotate the media. And then you can also take a look, and once again it asks just to double check what size roll we're using and any other roll paper options we may want to make. And then that's it for setup. So I'm just going to hit OK here, and we're going to go back to the Photoshop print settings. If you want to double check and make sure everything looks good here, and we go ahead and hit print. And it's going to just give me a warning that a little clipping will occur. I think I was 0.04 larger than it needed to be. And here's our print preview. And you can see it's already going to cut itself perfectly right on the edge of that print. So when it comes off the printer, it's already ready to go, and you don't have to do anything afterwards. I'm going to go ahead and hit print. And here's our finished print. We hope this video was helpful. Please like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the IT Supplies YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.